Founded in 1984, Chroma ATE Inc., marketed under the brand name Chroma, is a world-leading provider of precision test and measurement instrumentation, automated test systems, intelligent manufacturing systems, and test and automation turnkey solutions. Over the last decades, Chroma has flourished into Chroma Group, covering semiconductor and wireless testing, automation, AI, and digital signage. Today, there are 7 major companies under Chroma Group operating worldwide, exceeding 3,000 employees. Chroma's market focus has evolved with global technology trends. We began in the IT industry and progressed to semiconductor and communication test solutions. When green energy became critical, our test applications expanded to cleantech industries. We've since entered new markets for AI, advanced packaging, energy storage, and life science, where the growth opportunities lie ahead. Chroma serves customers across diverse markets, including AI data centers and semiconductors, visual display, smart mobility, sustainable energy, and smart factories. Our test solutions cover IC and semiconductor devices, photonics, automated optical inspection, power electronics, batteries, energy storage, electric vehicles, passive components, electrical safety, flat panel displays, video and color, complemented by intelligent manufacturing systems for smart factory applications. Chroma's vision is to empower future technologies for a better world. We believe in the truth of measurements and the trust of partnerships. Using the most advanced solutions, we test and measure the quality of our customers' products, with the ambition of making them better, more effective, and ultimately thriving in the marketplace. By delivering truth in constructive, open, and trusted partnerships, we enable the development of innovative products for the betterment of society and the world. Chroma enables quality innovation at every step with reliable solutions. We have developed more than 100 core technologies that serve as cornerstones for new technology development, with more than 1,000 patents worldwide. Chroma nurtures its brand as one of innovation, collaboration, and trustworthiness, to ensure the performance, quality, and success of technology industries. Through continuous leadership in high-power and high-precision technologies, Chroma has established a strong competitive edge. Chroma's performance has been recognized with numerous honors and awards, including Best Mid-Cap Company, First Taiwan Mittelstand Award, Distinguished Enterprise Innovation Award, Harvard Business Review Taiwan Top 100 Best Performing CEOs, Semi-Industry Contribution Award, and a number 24 ranking in Best Taiwan Global Brands. Chroma has branch offices in Europe, the United States, Japan, Korea, China, and Southeast Asia, where we support customers with local value-added service and unique test and automation turnkey solutions in the fields of AI, smart mobility, smart city, and sustainable energy, making our everyday life both greener and smarter, now and in the future. Chroma, advancing excellence.